Your presence today fills us with immense joy and optimism as we embark on an exciting journey toward economic prosperity. Your presence here is invaluable and it speaks volumes about the significance of this summit. Let me start by highlighting the key objectives of summit. The main objective is to project Nepal as an emerging destination for private sector investment. Second, to highlight recent reforms in enhancing the investment climate and ensuring regulatory frameworks and support foreign as well as domestic investment. Likewise, we showcase a wide range of projects across different sectors, including investment-ready projects. Furthermore, we seek to facilitate productive negotiations and come up with a number of agreements and memorandum of understanding between investors and stakeholders, advancing project development and management objectives. Finally, this summit will provide a platform for networking opportunities among the policymakers, investors, experts, and other stakeholders to share ideas and views as well as encourage joint ventures in areas such as industry and infrastructure development. Let me briefly touch upon our aspirations for the future and the multitude of investment opportunities that lies ahead, which will be further enhanced through this summit. As we embark on the journey of economic transformation, it is imperative to acknowledge that our existing technology and domestic markets alone are insufficient to sustain the high growth trajectory we hope to achieve. Moreover, foreign investors in Nepal have made commendable achievements. Therefore, Nepal warmly welcomes foreign investment as a catalyst for industrial development, infrastructure development, job creation, export promotion, and knowledge, skill, and technology transfer. The government is committed to collaborating with the private sector through private direct investment and various other models of public-private partnership. We are grateful to the development partners for their continuous support in creating an enabling environment for investment, with a view to improving the doing business environment and boosting investors' confidence. We have initiated various policy reforms.